Okay, so now we'll turn on the machine. You will find the main switch inside here. You will see there. This is the main switch. We will have to get in one more time when we open the water circuit. So now we just have to wait while the system initializes. So a little patience here. The noise you hear is, of course, the cooling of the main board. Okay, so now the system is on. Now you can hear there's another noise, and soon we will start the water circulation. But the first thing to check is whether everything is fine here. So we go into configuration, clicking on that. You will find these parameters. So here the language can be changed. The second setting here is the argon gas delay, which is something, of course, that you have to use only when argon is needed. In this case, it's 2 seconds. You can change the parameters by clicking on the arrows on the right. This is the date and hour. It's also important to update it in case there is either a record that you want to make or a remote connection to make. Okay, and save the parameters. If you might, of course, want to change the language as well. So now click on Operate, and you will see this list of parameters to set, and on the right, all the possible things that could be on or off. In this moment, we still have not turned on the water circuit, so the machine cannot operate until we turn on the water circuit that is needed for the cooling. All the parameters can be set by simply clicking on the relative bottom. In this case, you can see that the time is yellow. So if we go up or down, we will change the time. In this case, we will change the diameter of the shot, the frequency of the shot, the wave shape, or the marker, the laser marker turned on and off. The laser marker is an optional that you might want to have or not. This is the camera inside. So when you click there, you can see, or I can show for other people watching what is happening in the chamber. Going back to the parameters now, we have to turn on the water circuit, which is operated by that key. Okay, as you can hear, there's a new noise. That's the water circuit. And now all the green lights signals that the water circuit key is on and everything is fine. So if this is the situation, the laser can be operated. We will put inside the supports. And these are the testing little plates that we saw before. We can start operating directly. So of course, we will push on the pedal to start the shots after having set all the main parameters. And now you see how clear it is, also seen from the outside.